Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to fix AirPods not connecting to Android. So let's watch the video till the end. First, you need to check your AirPods battery level. If your AirPods have insufficient charge, then place your AirPods in the charging case and put it on charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes. After that, the second beneficial solution is to forget or unpair AirPods. This solution will help you fix connection issues, and AirPods will remove the Bluetooth setting. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then, you have to wait for 30 seconds. After that, open the case and wear your AirPods. Now, launch the Settings app on your Android device. Then, tap on Connections. Tap to turn on the Bluetooth and check your previously paired AirPods. Tap the Settings cog icon beside the AirPods name. Now, tap on Forget or Unpair option and confirm again. Repeat the same steps and forget or unpair all paired devices from the list. Then try to connect your AirPods. If the problem remains, follow the third useful solution to reset AirPods. Doing this will solve the connection problems, and the AirPods will be removed from the Android device's Bluetooth setting. For that, you have to put your AirPods in the charging case. Now open the lid of your AirPods charging case, press and hold the setup button at the back of the charging case, and wait for 15 seconds. You will see the LED light on your AirPods case flashes amber then white. That's it. Your AirPods are reset now. Now, try to find a discoverable Bluetooth device. Launch the Settings app on your Android phone. Then, tap on Connections. Then, tap on Bluetooth. Now, put AirPods in the charging case and press the setup button until it flashes white and it goes into the pairing mode. Find your AirPods in the list. If it's not showing, then disable the Bluetooth toggle or scan the Bluetooth device with the scan option. Tap on the AirPods name. You will see a pop-up on your Android device. Tap on the pair option to connect the AirPods. That's it. Your device will connect to the AirPods. If you are facing an issue with the connecting or pairing fail, then first clean up the charging case using earwax. Roll over inside both the AirPods and clean up the metal connection carefully. Now clean up the connector using cotton fiber cloth, which appears on both the left and right AirPods stem. Now put the AirPods in the charging case, push inside the case, and press the back button of the charging case to reset successfully. And try again. Before then, I recommend restarting your Android mobile as well. To restart your Android device. Doing this will solve some problems regarding the AirPods connection, battery drain, pairing failure, and more. Press and hold the power button on your Android phone until you see the power off and restart option. Tap the restart option and wait until you see the lock screen. Unlock your phone and try to connect your AirPods. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.